An algebraic expression contains numbers, variables, and/or operations. It does not contain an equal sign. When you're given an expression, you're given the value for the variable or letter in the problem. So this problem or example reads 3x. When we don't see an obvious operation and the numbers are side by side, then that means we're going to multiply. So we have 3 times our value of x, which is 7. So we substitute the 7 in for the x. This becomes 3 times x, or 3 times 7. 3 times 7 becomes 21. So we solve this expression. This next example is containing multiple operations. So we are going to always follow the order of operations. We first start by substituting our given values in for our variables. X is 4, so this becomes 4 squared plus 3 times our value for y is 7, so 3 times 7. Now, according to the order of operations, we're going to use exponents first. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. And then we bring everything else down. Okay? Now, according to the order of operations, we're going to do multiplication next. So I'm going to bring down my 16 plus, and I'm going to solve 3 times 7, which is 21. And now we add for our answer to this expression, which is going to be 37. 16 plus 21 is 37. Our next expression looks a little confusing sometimes at the beginning of learning algebra, but we sometimes in algebra will write a division problem like a fraction. So this expression actually reads C divided by A. When we substitute our given values in for our variables, we have 12, change the color, 12 divided by A, which is 4. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So the answer for this expression is 3. Our last example again has multiple operations. So we're going to follow the order of operations again. We start off by our substitution. So we have in parentheses 2 times A, which is 4. So I'm going to substitute my 4 in. And we have an exponent outside the parentheses. We'll deal with the exponent in a minute. Right now we're just substituting. And then we have B divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2. Now we start with our order of operations. Again, remember we do everything in parentheses first. So 2 times 4 is 8. And we still have that exponent. Because the exponent is outside the parentheses, that actually means the exponent is on the answer to whatever problem is within the parentheses. So I have 8 squared now. Plus, and we keep our 6 divided by 2. Bring everything else down. Now, we are going to solve the exponent portion, which is 8 times 8, or 8 squared, is 64. Plus, bring everything else down, 6 divided by 2. Now we have addition and division, so I'm going to go to division next, which is 6 divided by 2. So that's going to be 64 plus 3. So my answer is 67.